Yes, he doesn't have that ankle injury which he obviously picked up in the previous game, which he wasn't available for the last game. He's still nursing that, but we are hopeful that he will be fully training on Monday. I think there's a very good chance that he will be available, I would say 80–90%. And then Herschel did have a light hamstring strain, but he finished the game. So I think at this stage also precautionary, but it's also one of those where we're a little bit nervous and we only have 3 scrum offs here, so we want to make sure that he rather has more recovery time, so hopefully on Monday he's also ready to go.
And Flo.
Flo has got a few bumps and bruises. He's got one knee swollen a little bit. He's at that age where after every game it takes a little bit longer, and I think we're in game 4 now, so no, he'll be fine. He'll be fine. We are just managing him a little bit different.